morning students, welcome to e-learning classes. We are doing lesson number 5, that is appreciate others. In this chapter, I have already explained you the story of two boys, Raman and Rohit, and after this, in this video, we will do the half portion of the chapter, that is read and understand, where the importance of appreciation is told in this paragraph. So students, go through the video and watch it carefully. Lesson 5, appreciate others. In this chapter, I have already explained you the story. Now today I will explain you read and understand. Appreciation is an act of praising someone for her or his good deeds. Appreciation means to praise anyone for their good work. When we consider a work good or fruitful, we appreciate the doer of that work. When we find that the work which is done by someone is good, we say praising words for those person who have done that work. When someone appreciates our good deeds, we are motivated to do more of such deeds. And when we do some good work and someone say praising words for that, we are prompt to do that work, or we are prompt to do more and more good work. In fact, we feel good when someone appreciates us, and when someone say praising words for us, we feel good. Hence, we tend to earn more and more appreciation, and for that we do more and more good deeds. When someone appreciates us, we feel to earn more and more appreciation from others, and for that we do more and more good things. It is human nature to expect appreciation for good deeds, and we humans, we have a nature that whatever work we are doing or whatever good things we are doing, we expect that someone appreciate us or say words of praising for that. Whenever one does any good deed, one expect appreciation, and when anyone do good things, they expect that other will say praise for their work, or they appreciate them. When others appreciate, such person feels excited and happy and is motivated to do good deeds further. And when anyone say praising words for a person, the person feel excited and happy, and they tend to do more and more good things in future. On the other hand, if such person does not get appreciation from others, he gets demoralized and soon loses interest in doing that again. And on other hand, if a person does something good and nobody appreciate or nobody praise him, he gets demoralized or he lose hope, and after sometimes he or she lose interest in doing such work again. Appreciation motivates persons to act well further, and if we appreciate others, it motivates or it prompts the person to do such works in future also. So whenever you see a person doing any kind of good work, so whenever you see a person who is doing good work, appreciate him or her. Say few words of praise or praise him or her, or say few words of praising to them. If you appreciate others, if you praise others, in the same way they will also appreciate you. If you appreciate others, they will also appreciate you. So if you want appreciation from others, try to appreciate others also. So this is the meaning of appreciation. Now we will do moral thought of this chapter. Appreciation is a wonderful thing. It makes what is excellent in others belong to us as well. This is the moral thought of this chapter, and you have to write this moral thought on the blank side of your copy. So students, go through the video and read this paragraph or passage carefully, and after this, in our next video we will do some exercises of this chapter. Thank you.